Hello and welcome to the Beermen Fan TV. It's the Outfront match preview show as San Miguel taking on Rain or Shine, the last two painters in Game 1 and 2 of the best of 5 semifinals of the Commissioners League Cup of the PBA 2015-2016 season. The Game 1 will be at the Smart Aranada Coliseum on Sunday, April 24. That's 5 p.m. San Miguel are in a win galing sa panalo kontra sa Star in a do-or-die game replay. So San Miguel are very prepared for their training tomorrow for Sunday's match. Ang habang Rain or Shine are very tough match to face as San Miguel looking to make a Grand Slam hopes alive. So Aaron Santos can score more in the upcoming game on Sunday, as well as Junmar Fajardo, Lassiter, Chris Ross, Cabagnod, and the rest of the San Miguel Beermen have their opportunity to score more points and double their rebounds immediately. So they're one step behind to win the game. If we win twice, we'll go to the finals, because finals is a best of 7 of this Commissioners Conference. So paghandaan nila yung gagawin nila. If we win the game 1, it will be another opportunity to win twice in both game 1 and 2. So it will be a perfect mode for San Miguel Beermen. Kaya hindi magpetiks-petiks na lang yung nilalaro nila. Kaya puro pasa ng gagawin nila para hindi sila mapagod. Anyway, sa fast break points, kailangan silang umangat sa offensa to score fast break points with a 2-pointer. So I want SMB to score more points via a fast break points. So ang starting five para sa akin in both game 1 and 2 will be Wilkerson, Santos, Ross, Lassiter, and Fajardo. So that's my first formation for the San Miguel Beermen in game 1. Sa game 2 naman will be the same, just like in game 2, because they need some more aggressive formation to improve, so they can surely win this ball game in both games 1 and 2. My prediction in game 1 will be SMB a win with a 80-75 win over Rain or Shine, and the game 2 I think SMB will win again in a 87-83 win over Rain or Shine. Anyway, what is your predictions in both game 1 and 2 of the semifinals of the Commissioners Cup of the PBA? Tell us in the comment section below. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/thebeermenfantv, and follow us on Twitter and Instagram, both on the Beermen Fan TV. There's plenty more videos to come in further days. So just like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel of the official Beermen Fan TV channel. That's Beermen Fan TV. I'm Andrew Alvaro, and we'll see you in the next video. Shala. Bye.